So I'm a very negative day, guys. So I had a really big loss today. Thanks to Nvidia, I'm $34,000 down.
Yeah, I
Uh,
high levels for the SPY and the Q. We've been trading in the pre-market. We've been trading in a very narrow range. Um, Nvidia is kind of popping here.
yeah, Nvidia is strong. Nvidia is gonna go through 186. See if you can get some Nvidia. Damn it. See if you can get a pullback on Nvidia to get some entry. The Atlas is really strong, 187, 188.
Yeah, there's some big orders there.
See if you can get a pullback.
Well, Rocket Lab's dropping. Whew.
Right, Nvidia is pulling back. I'm gonna add some at 185. Oh, 185.48. See if this pullback can go back to the high of the day. Long Nvidia at 184.40, 185.50. Alright, so that's not a good drop. See
Okay,
what's gonna do at the
I'll try. Just going to try long on Nvidia on this pullback here. If it drops below the VWAP, I'll get out now.
Atlas is still strong, but
Yeah, Atlas has got some orders here to 187. So small caps are ripping. Damn,
are
should be
you
shorting
making a
Tesla
big
is
break?
what I should be doing.
Tesla. Right, let's see if 187, 186. There's not a lot of order at 186, but 187 we have. We have to go through R3. So IWM again ripping, huh? Right,
And
looks
I'm
like
getting out of Nvidia. I don't like that. Don't like that we pulled back like that.
yeah, definitely. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla had
Yeah, just I don't like
433
the
over
price
there.
action. It does have orders there, but I just don't like the way it's trading.
MU sold off. Yeah, the 5 minute is becoming like a big doji. It's not good. NVIDIA.
I'm gonna try a bit of a short on Tesla. Again, sort of small size because I don't like the entry that much, but there are some orders to the downside. It does look bearish.
All right, so I'm getting out of NVIDIA, guys, at 184.80.
Yeah, I
If it comes back above
didn't
the
like the way
VWAP,
we
I'll go.
couldn't. Yeah, I didn't like the way we couldn't push higher there. Kind of looks like
Yeah.
the cues aren't very strong. Here we go with Tesla. Come on, baby. To
So
432.
it's AMD doing, AMD selling off. Yeah, so NVIDIA now have some orders to the downside. Yeah, it's going toward, maybe it goes red, actually, NVIDIA. Screen sharing is laggy. I'm gonna share my screen again. AMD is trying to find the bottom. Yeah, now NVIDIA still has some big order at 187, but in short term, it looks like orders are down.
Come on, new low here for Tesla. Let's go.
TR
What's
is
everyone else
almost
trading?
there. TMC doesn't have a
Meta,
lot of order
SanDisk
flow
is selling
still.
off. Oh, Meta's ripping. Man, what's Meta doing? Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
Meta is pulling back now.
Here we go. This is good. Tesla, more selling. Come on, baby. Just trading the 430 puts.
On Tesla, you're short?
Yes.
Yeah, there's some big orders on the Atlas at 432.
Yes. I've covered some here at 315.
All right, the SPY is coming back, ripping. Let's see what NVIDIA is doing. SPY is trying to squeeze back. IWM still
All
above the
right,
VWAP.
Tesla's coming back. I was getting, that's why I took some off there, because it was getting close to PDC. Okay, I'm out of the rest of it. It's gonna bounce now. Rocket Lab.
Yeah, Tesla
Rocket
looks like it's
Labs.
bouncing now.
Man, Rocket Labs crashing to Earth. What's ASTS doing?
Tesla still have a big order at 432 down there. SPY is going back toward the high of the day.
SPY and Qs. Qs are struggling to get above VWAP. Let's see what happens here.
I'm gonna go back long on NVIDIA at 184.74. It looks like this 5 minute is closing like a doji. Adding a little bit more at 185.18. Now it's really nice to squeeze on it. Long NVIDIA, guys. Yeah, around 185
nice
the average.
squeeze.
187 is still the order. 187. After this 186. So this candlestick closes on 5 minutes as a doji. So almost is closing as a doji in 5 seconds. That's a good sign. But there's obviously these levels. See if it squeezes toward the high of the day. SPY made a new high of the day.
Yeah, SPY's breaking out by the looks of it.
candlestick. Yeah, the first one is really bad. Now we're above the VWAP. See if we can pop it a little bit higher. SPY. Yeah, I can trade NVIDIA, but I just traded NVIDIA for now. A little bit bigger size, but you can easily, definitely, if you're a founder account, trade NVIDIA because so you get access to 2 times leverage. Rigetti looks like sitting a scanner. What's Rigetti up to?
Okay, Tesla's heading back down again, pretty choppy. Oh, AMD's dropping.
AMD went red, yeah.
Funny, AMD's been kind of the one that's been performing.
All right, I might actually get out of NVIDIA. This NVIDIA seems like it's really struggling to the upside. It's definitely 5 minutes now. Very indecisive. Even the Atlas is really indecisive right now. Rigetti is making new highs. This scanner.
Yeah, Rigetti's been having some challenges.
RGTI. So data today, 10 a.m. we have core PCE. Yes, trading terminal at 10 a.m. We're gonna come some core PCE. It's a high impact data. Personal spending.
Yeah.
Oops, that's. All right, so I'm gonna get out of NVDA. Stopped out of NVDA. Meta bounce back. PLTR nothing. CRDW nope. TMC nothing. Rocket Lab. Nice file code, nice trade on Meta as well. CMCT, what's the... Gonna get some long on CMCT. See if we can go through 5. Careful of your share size, guys. This one. See, we're popping up to 5. Just for fun. This is a penny stock, so the volume is picking up. Adding a little bit more. See if we can. Is it pump and dump or? What's the float on CMCT? 60,000 shares for sure.
Yeah, Meta's been on fire. Let's see, AMD I'm looking at for a short.
Ah, shit. Getting out of CMCT, this is blah. It's really messy. This penny stocks.
So I'm short AMD. Let's see what it does here.
go back long one in NVDA. It's third time's the charm. Still 187 is something.
Okay, here we go. AMD dropping again.
Yeah, NVIDIA is also, it's one of those days that is chopping around.
And NVIDIA's down at sort of low day. Come on.
Tesla looks like it wants to go higher. What's the daily show? What's the levels in Tesla? It's hard to find. All right, I'm getting out of the NVIDIA. This one is really not behaving today. I gotta stop that, guys, on NVIDIA. It's a mess. It's the daily chart.
Yeah, big order at 247 on AMD. There's a big order at 249 too, so could go either way here. It's holding S3. I did take some partials on it.
Aria is doing RGTI, very nice. All right, SPY is not rolling over. 948.
Yeah, there goes SPY. Come on. SPY's at the pre-market low, so just be aware of that. Shit, look at it. It bounced off S3 again. Bastard.
What are you trading?
I'm short AMD. I'm looking for it to break down there. I just I bought it on that pop. Or so I shorted it on that pop that it made off of first pop off S3. I'm losing hope that this is going to go down, so I'm going to get out of the rest of it. Almost looks like it wants to go up now.
Wow, NVIDIA is really cracking down. CMCT.
Yeah, it does want to go up. Look at that.
CMCT wants to go through 5. But it's really a pump and dump on that $5. Intel, let's take a look at Intel. Nope, nothing. It's pretty disgusting. Intel. AMD holding. NVIDIA seems pretty range bound right now. Meta. Yeah, NVIDIA
These
is
SPY and
really
Qs are going to
range
bounce
bound,
here.
but yeah. Should we go long NVIDIA again? Fuck it, we're gonna go. Fuck it, I'm gonna go back long NVIDIA. 184.7. This is the third time, fourth time. I'm down $8,000. I might as well lose another 8,000. Okay, now some 185 over there. Okay, now that's good. Okay, getting there. CMCT eventually is such a pump and dump, popping up.
Pretty choppy, so I've had kind of a marginally red day, so no, marginally green day, I should say.
I'm adding a little bit more on NVDA. I hate NVDA right now.
Nothing's really worked fabulously.
Oh, Tesla. Tesla is now ripping. John, did you get the Tesla? Yeah, Tesla. The Atlas on Tesla. Well, I'm hoping to get the same move on NVDA. But maybe until 10 o'clock, we're going to be in this range. So the gap
Yeah,
was
we're
because the
probably
US.
just, oh, geez, AMD really broke out, back out. We're probably going to chop around here till we get through 10 o'clock, which is 6 minutes away. I don't think the PCE number is really going to be too instructive. I think it's just going to be, yeah, we're still sitting at 2.7, 2.8. But you never know. Never know for sure. Wow, AMD really came ripping back off at S3. That would have been a good reversal trade. Yeah, I guess I think I'm just gonna sit here and maybe, oh, look at this. The market's selling off a bit. I was looking at those SPX puts just as a short. Because that we sold off, and then that pop back that we got back up, it came right back up to the 9 EMA and just stalled there.
All right, so NVIDIA is definitely chopped yesterday. This happened to me multiple times. Yeah, I'm getting out of NVIDIA, guys. It's absolutely garbage trades. You can't hear me? Really? Is it that
I can
bad?
hear you.
ASTS.
I can hear you. It's you're a
Yeah.
little bit quiet, but
Really? Is it maybe I'm getting the wrong microphone. Let me see. Radio selection. Microphone is this one. Did I mess up my microphone? I don't know.
yeah, you can still hear you. You're just a little bit on the quiet side.
Oh, maybe, guys, you should be quiet. Baby is sleeping. Yeah. Right. So NVIDIA, fuck man, NVIDIA is so fucking miserable. Shit. What a day.
Yeah, everything's been really pretty well, Tesla MU's been pretty, or Nvidia's been pretty choppy. AMD kind of predictably bounced off S3. Just gonna wait here for a few more minutes. We've got about a minute and a half before we get to the PCE data.
Yeah, Benzinga
Interesting.
will
SPY
announce it.
is
So
selling off.
guys, we got another traders from Tanzania profitable. What is happening in Tanzania?
Maybe
Seriously.
they, you know how they're good runners. Maybe they're good day traders too.
I'm now contributing to half of the GDP of Tanzania, sending money there. No, they're not. They're real traders. We're checking their accounts. They trade differently. Their IP addresses differently. They're all different people. Like they are not. Like that was the first thing. I know they're all part of a trading group.
Okay,
No,
here
I'm
we
joking.
go.
Actually, it's not a very cool country. This piece of garbage in NVIDIA. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock. What happened?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, here
Benzinga
we
didn't
go.
announce it. What happened? Tesla. So it's a little bit lower than consensus, 0.3 versus 0.4 expected. But okay, so what's gonna happen? Benzinga announcing it.
So far, sort of no reaction with the markets to speak of.
Wow.
Tesla's selling off a bit.
Moderna is running up crazy. It's up 8% today.
Mm.
Moderna, what's the news on Moderna? Intel can be bearish. Let's take a look at Intel. I'm pretty negative for the day. This one is pretty. The book for Intel, there is something on 55, but price action is not great. Getty bounce back. Yeah, I'm pretty negative for the day. So, skin cancer drug trial on Moderna, huh? It's crazy. It's gonna go through 54. Moderna is really interesting. Scanners are hitting it since the beginning of the morning. I just didn't go in there, but it looks like 54 now is level.
Well, shit.
What does Elon Musk says? Grok is growing.
The market seems to be heading lower. Just slow grind. I don't know if we're going to hold here or not.
Nice. Moderna is really nice. Right, so everything else is really garbage. I had a really bad loss. AMD.
All right. Well, let's see. I'll take a short on the SPY just to see if we're going to continue to grind lower here. Just a really small size. Might be heading to PDC here. Don't seem to be any buyers. Nobody's
Yeah,
enthusiastically in there buying.
exactly. That is the problem, Brian. Nobody's buying. Gold dropped, yeah, because of the.
Mm.
What's the ticker for gold? GLD is the one.
In GLD.
Yeah, GLD was. It's not actually that bad. Silver, what's the silver? SLB? Silver is still pretty strong. Moderna 54. This one is crazy. Hopefully there is not another pandemic coming out. Right, guys. So don't push the trade, guys. Don't push the trade. Even though I'm negative, but it's best not to push it any trade. There are some days like this. It's just the nature of some days are really choppy. There were some good moves if you could catch them early. Like for example,
Yeah. Meta had a
Moderna,
decent
nice.
move.
Yeah, Moderna is really running up. 920, far from a 920, but SPY gives the profit gap up back.
Profit. Yeah, SPY is maybe going to hold here. This is going to make me red on the day of this trade. Unless we get a drop.
I'm gonna get another long on NVIDIA at 184.50.
I'm getting
Is
stopped out of this. Maybe. Let's see. Probably going to get stopped out of this
I'm gonna get
trade.
See what NVIDIA is doing, 185.
See, we're dropping again here, so maybe that's
Wow, yeah, it's a really nice trade on Moderna. It's great. Is it a funded account? It's lovely. Nice. Nice. What does Peter do? Nothing. Carlos. Nothing. Yeah, it is a horrible price action everywhere.
okay. Still hanging in there with this buy short. Let's see if we can make a new low here. Now, I almost got stopped out. I was so close.
Intel down 1.7%. NVIDIA. Bad day on NVIDIA, AMD garbage. Yeah, what time is it? 10, 12. Should we call the accept the defeat?
Yes, maybe accept defeat.
You don't think NVIDIA is going to go above 185?
I don't know.
Yeah, looks like we have to accept the defeat, sir. Critical metal, yeah, CRML did a very nice move. What Amazon is doing.
Because I think CRML has some kind of, don't they have some kind of interest in Greenland?
It's possible. Chandra, if you want to trade with IBKR, that subscription is way more important than Benzinga. Benzinga, we already have it in trading terminal, the Squawk, so it's not really that necessary for your trading success. DAS Pro, I think it's very important. I think there's also a lot of people are using, desktop or other platform like TWS, which is okay, but I really enjoy DAS, the charting, execution, robustness. For options are not great, so the option chain is really bad, but everything else is really good.
Yeah, TWS actually has a pretty decent options platform now. Their new platform.
Desktop, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. The desktop CMCT is still pumping up. In the beginning was in the extremis, it showed the aggregate of the orders of a screen. Yeah, so we are having a new updated Atlas releasing soon. I'm testing it right now. and it does the auto aggregation, so you really don't need to aggregate it. It's been working really good today. So we're testing it. I'm gonna send it to the team to test it for. Oh shit! This one is popping up. CMCT. I'm gonna test it to the team today. So 10, 15 people. Like Nathan, I'm gonna send you the information to test it, and maybe releasing it soon. Just want to make sure that overload is not gonna crash or something. So it does. If you can look at my chart, you don't. So when you're getting the axis up and down, automatically aggregate it for you for the best view. So you don't need to really worry about this thing. All right, NVDA seems that it wants to go back up. CMCT,
Yeah,
let's see if
markets
CMCT
are
goes through 6 as well.
trying to find a bottom here, but nothing. Like I said, there's volume's really kind of weak, so there's not a lot of push to go
I'm gonna get
higher.
a. I'm gonna be long. I'm gonna long CMCT for some. Oh, there you go. Nice. Getting it some out here. Ha. That's nice. Yeah, CMCT is gonna go through 6
With
finally.
CMCP, is this a low float?
CMCT,
Oh yeah.
Creative Media, CM Charlie
Oh yeah, yeah,
Tango.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's see if you can get above 6. Be careful, guys. This is a really scary stock, so don't go too much size. See if you can get to 6. What a nightmare on NVIDIA. Yeah, I think the orders are so thin on CMCT. All right, so NVIDIA, yeah, we're gonna accept the loss on this freaking NVIDIA. It went through 6, no, not yet. Just adding a little bit more on CMCT 540, but fuck, it's oh no, damn it. Fuck off. Alright guys, I'm getting out of this piece of garbage. Oh man, I got better stop trading. I'm gonna get out of NVDA too. That's a really bad loss.
Yeah,
Oh man,
those ones are tough.
I'm not gonna trade.
Kind of chasing that.
Yeah, today is really bad, guys. It's really nice, very bad trading. Like it's absolutely garbage. I'm trying to get this breakouts on Nvidia, but Nvidia has been stuck in this range, like with the rest of the market. Spy, trying to find the bottom, huh?
Yeah, Spy's trying to find a bottom here.
IWM,
I'm trying another long. I'm trying a long on the Spy now.
wow.
just that pullback kind of made a bit of a double bottom there. Some of the other stocks may come up too. Let's see, Tesla's. What does Tesla look like? Tesla's, the book is pretty bullish.
Tesla book is pretty bullish, yeah. 436.40. IWM is running up. Maybe this breakout is gonna be a breakout. IWM. Let's see what IWM is doing at the high today. Natural gas has been on a crazy run too, Brian. Natural gas has been
What has?
crazy. Yeah, natural gas.
Oh yeah, natural gas. I know. I was looking at that last night. Yeah, natural gas. It because there was that that storm in the U.S. that they're forecasting is going to be really bad, apparently. So they were suggesting, I guess, natural gas has been going up on that. I think a lot of people were maybe there were some people that got caught short on that trade too.
The Videomaker.
The Widowmaker, yeah, natural gas can really go crazy on you.
This NVDA might be. This stock might be going serious.
Okay, well, the SPY long trade is working out for me now.
The Videomaker.
Okay, so now I'm back to my entry on the SPY trade. So I got did partial a little bit there.
OKLO. Yeah, guys, handcuff is a very good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, Elias, because I lost so much money. Restless. Well, I'm going to Spain today, so maybe that helps me relax, get some sun. I am flying to Spain. All right, I'm taking last trade to lose money. It's NVDL 85.58. See if you can get to 86, and then we call it a day.
Yeah, Nvidia's kind of breaking out here.
I mean, he has been doing it for 50 times so far.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah, we are in Malaga, Paul. So email me. I'm gonna be there tomorrow, so we definitely should hang out. Yeah, the train con. I'm flying directly to Malaga, but I know there was a huge accident in Malaga as well on the train. It's really sad.
Yeah. Mike was going to be taking the train.
Yeah, Mike was supposed to take that train. All right, so let's see if Nvidia will go up. It's Nvidia. All right. Right, Nvidia is serious this time apparently, huh? Adding a little bit more on Nvidia. Maybe this time is serious for a breakout. What do you think, Brian?
Still stuck in a range that, yeah, previous day high, yesterday's high seems to be resistance. SPY's coming back up again. Jeez.
SPY is going to 690. Gary, how do you know 690? Is there any, is it from the option activity? NVDA. I think I'm gonna go and live in Spain. I might not come back.
There you go.
Natural gas storage. Wow, futures are natural gas futures up 13%.
Yeah, the natural gas is just the last 2 days just ripped.
It's been ripping, huh? Mezo, I really wanted to ask them, but their English is really bad, the Tanzanian traders. But I have to look into that. I think mostly we did look at their trades. They're mostly trading open range breakouts. I think it's mostly, Your rational gap fill 690. All right, Gary, I'm counting on you. Doesn't look like today's a day that.
Mm.
How's Bond doing? TLT. TLT is.
How's spot gamma doing?
Brian, if you don't want to do anything, if you really want to retire, what would you do?
Who, me?
Yeah.
If I suppose I'd just travel because I'd go crazy sitting around the house doing chores. I don't know. I was thinking about that last night. How some people just seem to be happy doing nothing every day. I was talking to a woman at where I go to yoga, and she's retired, but she's like, I get up in the morning, I go to the gym, I come back, have lunch, go for a walk in the afternoon, go to yoga, have dinner, and the day is done. It's like, and I'm like, fuck, if that was me, I'd be like, hang me now.
Yeah. Like,
Exactly. I and it would it's and I just think it's just to each his own, right? I mean, if that's how you want to spend sort of the rest of your life, then that's what you're going to do.
yeah, that's true, Zephy. Some people are really enjoying very simple things in life. Like,
Yeah, for sure. I'm not saying she's wrong. I'm not saying that she's crazy or anything like that, but it's just uh, it's just her choice. Yeah, I do. I have lots of things. I'm on the board of directors of a public company that's pretty active on that, actually. Probably more so than most board members, because I've got a lot of interesting things on that going on that I'm have an interest in. Um, as Andrew knows, I'm part-time owner of a coffee shop or part owner of a coffee shop. I'm I still do consulting in environment and what else? Just watching the spy here go up. This is good. This is good.
part time watching a spy going up.
I got long again because of Gary. So if this doesn't work out, I'm going to send him a lump of coal. But but the great thing is I'm not. I can take time if I want to take a day off. Like yesterday afternoon, I went out saw my daughter and she has a baby, so hung out there. It's great. Are you in Video? In VDL?
I am in NVIDIA. I want to see if I can get to 86, honestly. I have a big loss today. So, Gary, if this buy goes to 690, you want 20% of my profit? All right, so NVIDIA doesn't do anything.
Okay, the Q's got to VWAP, and we're just pulling back here now. Remember, the SPY and the Qs kind of trade pretty closely related because the SPY has roughly 35% technology in it. And the Qs are very heavily weighted. So the Qs, the action in the Qs does impact the SPY.
Elon Musk is on stage.
Where at Davos?
Yeah.
Your buddy Jamie Dimon was there.
Mm-hmm. So, NVIDIA is still above the graph. Jamie the goat.
Yeah, I think Gary's got the Peter's Magic 8 Ball. Would you want to go over to YouTube at all, or
I don't know. What do you think? I'm not in the mood of.
okay?
Just, I don't know. I'm so negative. I don't know. Let's just stay here together. Think about how boy we lost so much money.
Okay.
I don't know. Peter is gonna make fun of me. I don't want Peter is making fun of me.
Yeah, Peter's like that.
Peter is waiting for my falling, so he can hit me. I told you, Andrew.
So we're going to get some Chinese EVs here, eh?
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Canada.
Uh, Dude, they're good cars. They're really,
Yeah,
really.
and yeah, no, what everything I've seen on YouTube, I mean the cars look amazing.
You know, one thing that I really believe is I've been to China four times, I think, so far, is that you guys should, everybody in the West should go visit China. And it will change your perspective about so many things. Like a lot of Americans and Canadians never been to China, but if you go there, you will realize that how we're falling behind, really.
Yeah, I was watching this was watching some stuff on was it Shenzhen,
Yeah,
the one city. It looks it looks amazing.
yeah. It's the West is really, really falling behind in
You
so
can I
many
mean, there's like kiosks you go to, and they're run by robots. So you put your order in, and the robot goes and gets your whatever you want.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I saw that. There's a vending machine that you put your order in, and the drone comes and delivers it to you to the vending machine, and you get it from there. It's pretty incredible. Yeah, exactly. That's where I saw it on YouTube. Yeah.
Do you ever exit a trade based on boredom being bought? Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes I feel that okay, this should have been working and it's not working. And all right, it looks like this NVDA is gonna go higher a little bit. Sam, so you want to go? Probably Beijing is nice. Shanghai is very nice. I would highly recommend go to Tibet. Tibet is crazy, crazy beautiful. Like Lhasa is the
Tibet?
capital of, yeah, Tibet. Lhasa is the capital of Tibet. So it's a very, very gorgeous city, and there's so many things that you can do.
Do you ever seen that guy on TikTok that he's a Chinese guy, and he does an incredible impression of Trump. His name's Ryan. He's hilarious. He's even got the gestures down.
Let me look in it. Oh yeah, he's in China.
Yeah, he's from China. I think he just came to the U.S. He'd never been there, but I guess
Yeah,
he's been so popular. He's
he's
probably
been on
making lots of money.
CNN too. Like he's been on CNN too.
Oh, is that right? There, yeah, yeah, there he is. There. It's he doesn't make it political. He's just he just has a great he just does a great impression of him. Nvidia is going up. It's moving your way. my SPX trade's working out here.
Well, apparently Gary was right. Huh? Oh, damn, Nvidia is popping up. Nice. Nice,
Diddly
Gary.
doodly. All right, is Gary coming to Spain? Gary going to Spain?
Gary's not coming to this bay.
Oh, okay. Gary's the man.
Yes, so Nate, what I like about NVIDIA and Tesla is the huge order flow that they're having. And since I'm scalping with large share size, I really want the time and sales to move a lot. Uh, so that's why I kind of avoid some things like mRNA, and even Meta is just not moving that much. If you want to trade those ones, you gotta trade a little bit of a smaller share size and just be. So Spain is. We can have a meetup next week on Spain if people are around. So Spain, I really wanted to get out of Canada, so I decided to just get a place in Malaga and just relax for 10 days and check it out. Maybe if I want to move there, because I'm thinking of moving out of Vancouver like November, December, January, February, come back maybe toward end of March.
Yeah, a lot of Canadians do that. I mean, they used to be a big deal to go to Florida, go for 4 months, 5 months, or on this side, people go down to Arizona.
Yeah, I like to be near water, so maybe Florida. I'm thinking of Florida as well. But how long we can stay
And
as Canadian without visa? 90 days?
what's that?
How long we can stay in US as without
I
visa
think
as Canadian?
I think Canadians, unless they changed it, I think you can stay up to 6 months.
6 months.
But I think there's a new thing that if you stay more than 90 days, you have to fill out some kind of a form or something.
Yeah. Or maybe I just marry an American girl. Anyone single here? Uh,
It's just a tax form, yeah. Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah, I'd be careful, especially with your skin color. You might end up in a ICE detention center.
I was thinking of buying Trump gold card for 1 million. I did consider that. I think it's a great deal, honestly. I don't know how many people sign up, but I think it's a great deal. I even was thinking of buying it for my family.
Nice. Well, there's a
No, my
lot of
mom,
options.
my
Yeah.
brother. I was thinking of Marla. Do you have a single friend in Florida? Might as well want to introduce us. Anyone? Just getting an American green card. Real estate company in Florida.
Oh, there you go. So
I
you could be a real estate. You could be a real estate agent.
I'd like to actually get a really nice villa with a deck. In the morning, you get your coffee, you watch the pre-market in a deck in Florida. I don't want to buy,
You
but
should
LA
you
is
should go
nice. The
to
issue, LA is the time zone.
maybe maybe go to Aruba. You could do that in Aruba for 6 months.
No, it's island. I get island sickness. I need to be near a big metropolitan area. The LA is really nice. LA is about San Francisco. I really like San Francisco too. But the issue with San Francisco again is the time zone. Like you gotta wake up at
San
early.
Fran, the only thing, San Fran can be pretty chilly even in the summer. especially by the water.
But it's sunny. The sun is very
Yeah,
important.
it's just sun, but there is sun. Yeah, yeah. I think if you wanted nice weather and a better time zone, I think Florida's probably the ticket.
Yeah, I mean, all the billionaires are going. Peter Thiel also moved there.
Yeah, yeah. South of France is nice. I've been to Nice, Monaco.
Yeah, I mean, the good thing is about this community is, and this is very important, that if I go to Florida, I can have a lot of friends from just this community, this chat room, and I don't feel lonely because moving it's really hard in these higher ages. You don't have any
Yeah,
social network, and you suddenly go alone. Like in Vancouver, as much as I hate it, but I knew a lot of people. Like I run into people all the time. But going to Florida, you don't know anyone. But really good thing about this community is I can actually find a lot of friends here.
right.
There you go. Nicole is there. Nicole is gonna find me a girlfriend. There you go. Thor is there too. Yeah, yeah. Thor is on the other side in San Augustine, I think.
Yeah, he's on the Gulf side, isn't he?
Yeah, it is on the other side.
Or is he on? Or I can't remember. He moved. Whatever happened to Susan? We lost Susan.
Susan, no, Susan is just focusing on family more these days.
Or can be a roommate. Hey, there you go. Would you like to live with Thor?
Why not?
I don't think at your age, my age, having a roommate isn't ideal.
No, definitely not. It's very difficult. Tesla is breaking out. Okay, guys, let's get back into character. Wow, Tesla is breaking out. Yeah,
Tesla
yeah.
just
Stop,
ripped.
stop,
There
stop.
was a
Stop.
bunch of orders there, and now it's 440. Wow.
Oh, because
You know,
Elon Musk is
there must.
talking. Oh, Elon Musk is saying some stuff
Oh,
in Davos.
oh, okay.
Oh shit, let's get
Is
something
he
on this.
talking about he's talking about Optimus again?
Oh yeah, the
Maybe
Benzino was
Optimus.
announcing it. Let's see. I'm gonna go long on Tesla 1794 on TSLL. Let's see if we can go through 80. 80. Stop talking about. Oh, they say they're gonna sell humanoid robots by 2027. Seven. All right.
Um,
Of,
there
this.
is nothing happening right now in this market. It just seems pretty quiet. Tesla was,
There's a pump and dump on Tesla. Damn it.
yeah, totally. Hmm. 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 Well, let's take a look at my swing trades are doing.
Wow, nice. And a 435 calls, huh? Very nice. All right, so I'm long on TSLL. Average is 1790. Kind of seems
Yeah,
there's
I'm not chasing stuff around here.
I know it's kind of the volume picked up, but it's kind of
Yes, had some big volume buying, and then almost the same amount of volume selling.
selling, huh? It was pump and dump, huh?
Well, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where it goes from here.
Mr. Musk.
The mark, the market's kind of rolling over now a little bit. It got to Gary's target.
NVDA is still struggling below this level. I have my NVIDIA. Self-driving approval in Europe next month. Interesting.
Weren't they supposed to have full self-driving in Austin like last year, like in December? It never happened. I can't believe how many times Musk says this is going to happen by this date, and it doesn't. People just they don't clue into that.
Easy, Brian.
They
Easy,
don't pay
easy,
any.
easy,
They just don't.
easy,
Easy.
easy, easy. Don't.
I don't want to. I don't want to get John. Oh yeah, I don't want to get
Easy,
John mad.
Brian. Don't start. Don't start. Easy, guys.
Oh, is Robotaxi in Austin now? Is it active now? Oh, okay. I didn't hear any big fanfare about it.
All right, guys. Half of my stress in life is about making sure Brian doesn't say anything politically
Well,
blowing up his community.
Musk isn't political.
It kind
I
of is
can say
political.
whatever you want about Musk.
No, Musk is also political. No, don't say.
Well, he is political, but he's not affiliated with any
Easy, easy,
party.
easy. Oh yeah, let's change the topic, guys. NVDL. Let's see if Tesla is going back up. Shit, man, I
Oh,
lost.
okay, Sean, cool.
Uh, Atlas for Mara. I can show it to you. Mara.
feel like uh, I feel like I'm only good for another 10 years of driving, and then full self-driving will keep me mobile because I won't be safe behind a wheel.
All right, so NVDL, let's go there. My Atlas is not working, so
My Atlas is working.
no, it's the version that I'm using is the development version. So
Oh, I see.
sometimes the developers are working behind, and then when they upload and change, my Atlas goes down.
Yeah, I could. Well, we've got pretty good public transit here. I'm not complaining. Wouldn't complain about it. But then I use it a bit. I don't use it a lot, obviously. What's Tesla going to do now?
So Mara, this is the Mara order flow. Who was asking that? Rogelio, you wanted that.
No, I've got Tesla up on my screen right now if you want to look at it.
He wanted Mara.
Okay. No, I'm just saying for the room.
Tesla.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to hold the 9 EMA. R3 is 439.83. That's pretty close to where we rejected. SPY and Q's bouncing a bit. There's a hedge wall at 6,900 on the SPY.